Waki-launch. Yes, is it tuna launch? Very new. Lot 2. Kwa Jomvu Mariakani A8 Road was officially launched. I think you will be watching this content later on, but it was launched just the other day when you're recording last week. So yeah, there it is. The regional Mombasa Port Access Road project, Mombasa-Mariakani A8 Highway. Lot 2. So lot 1 ika?
I think lot 1 is the one that gets you to Mombasa.
Oh,
yes,
from Kwa Jomvu into Mombasa itself. Ah, okay.
So this is lot 2, Kwa Jomvu Mariakani A8 Road.
And you can even see, we told you about German corporation. We have the KfW, the German Development Bank. This global gateway, I have no idea. European Union, and then the European Investment Bank, Global, and KeNHA. This is part of the vision, KeNHA Vision 2030. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Kabisa, lot 2, Kwa Jomvu Mariakani A8. So it has been launched officially.
Yes.
And that is a road, as you can see. That is, you have read it, it's KeNHA something? KeNHA Medical something?
Yes.
Yes. People living with disability, we are supporting them.
And this is
Mombasa Terminus. Something I never get enough of this, what is it called? Should I call it flyover? Or this overpass? Yes. I've used this road so many times.
But you never have.
Yes.
There's always a waiting bay and a watching bay somewhere here, which we have never used. Let us try and see if we can enjoy it today.
So right there is the Mombasa Terminus. As you can see, the icon of the Mombasa Terminus is that is a control tower, what you're seeing. Mina itanga fimbo ya nyayo, that one. I think it was designed from fimbo ya nyayo or something of that sort. So this is the watching bay that Jose was telling you about. You can see Dogokundu kule mwisho. The Dogokundu bypass. Sasa hii inaitwaje sasa? Hii water. This is it a causeway? It's
a tributary or
which is feeding into the Nini, to the Indian Ocean.
Yes.
And then you can see the SGR. There, I tell you that I never have enough of it. That leads you all the way to the port, getting mizigo.
The port of Mombasa.
The port of Mombasa. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to today's episode. Yes, to end up.
We want to check out the Kwa Jomvu Mariakani roadworks.
Yes.
We want to see how far the building of that section has gone. This is an update video.
Yes.
We previously did the same. That road that is commonly known as
TAH8. Yes. So someone asked in the comment section in the previous content of A14,
yes,
the one that we did, the section near Bagamoyo Malindi Road. Yes. They were telling us, you come and do the update for the Kwa Jomvu, this TH8. Now here it is. Yes, we are doing it for you.
Keep it at a factory. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's see. Let's
join us as we go. Now this road leads you to the Dogokundu bypass. This one here. we are approaching the Dogo Kundu Way Bridge. Yes.
And a new city is emerging here.
Yes.
A very good proper city.
It's an industrial something. Yes. Industrial park, special economic zone, something of that sort. So there you see it telling us KS, move to the other side, the other lane. That area is where all the buses of Tamid come to fuel. They have their own thing who go through. We are joining a 109. That leads you to Changamwe.
Yes.
Back to Mombasa. We are using the bypass.
Yes.
The Mombasa Southern bypass. So we are now connecting to A109 or A8. The A8 is TAH8. That is the Mombasa-Lagos Highway. This place is called what?
I think this is Bonje.
Bonje.
I think this is Bonje.
I think, yeah, it's Bonje.
We'll just confirm right now.
It's Bonje, I remember.
We officially on the
TAH8
Mombasa to Lagos
Highway.
Yes, this is Bonje. Yes, Shell Bonje.
There you go, Shell Bonje. So where is Kwa Jomvu?
I think behind us.
So this segment it's not yet touched.
This section was already dual carriage.
Oh, it's already dual carriage.
It was already dual carriage.
Also, then are they going to improve it or something? Rehabilitate it?
Maybe.
Because you know the terrain up on Bele.
Yes, the terrain up here is not very good.
I tend to feel that they need to put barricades, Uko. Or what do you think?
I think so.
Because when someone is coming from Uko and flying down, there needs to be barricade.
For saving lives.
For saving lives. Just in case, Kigonga Ubaki to Uko, don't come to this side. This is what I was talking about in terms of the road not being
very smooth.
Yes, very smooth. They need to redesign this area because of the terrain.
It has always been a sultan.
Yes, a lot. Actually, even for you to get to this point, they have really tried. It was so bad. You see what I'm talking about? Vehicles flying from that side. We are back to single lane, and I think we are approaching Mazeras. So the works are not yet here, and Mazeras bado haijafika huku. So yeah, the road works. So not yet.
Mazeras is notoriously jammed.
Yes, extremely
nasty, a very nasty jam is what is there.
You're even lucky. Because normally
this place is crazy.
Mlolongo, it's another Mlolongo. So
I see a lot of
madafu, nasikia hata harufu ya mnazi. The local brew, yeah. The local coastal brew. So this is Mazeras Junction.
That's to Rabai.
That is C111. It leads you to Rabai. you've been there before, check our content on Rabai as you're looking for Ludwig
craft.
Reading craft.
And thereafter we went to where? We went to?
After
To Mavueni.
we went to Mavueni.
Yeah.
You went to the old church and the new church.
church.
Yes.
New Christianity and old Christianity.
And the two evangelism, how they happen. So check out that content.
We are looking for Christianity in Kenya.
Yes. Now I think you guys can see the reason why we need rolling of this road.
It's,
Very heavy trucks and all that. But they're being told slow down
roadworks
ahead. Yes.
Wonder what this is.
The road.
You are now entering an active construction zone.
Active construction zone, and immediately see they have put, what are those?
Embankment.
Yes.
A retaining wall. It's called a
retaining wall. I was looking for that word. Thank you.
retaining wall.
It's a retaining wall because of putting the sand and everything, compacting the area so as the land so as to tarmac. They're creating the other lane, the other carriage that side. Actually, they're almost in Mazeras. This is very close. The progress is immense.
Yes. They are near Mazeras.
They're really near Mazeras. This is promising a lot. You can even see Kule Washa tarmac.
That side is already tarmac.
Actually, they're doing a beautiful job. They're almost. This is the old road.
Yes.
We are on the
That's
old,
a new one.
that is a new one. I like using a new road.
Currently on the old.
You know, the old road. It usually has some nice smell and all that. And being the first one to use it. But unfortunately, this
Anyway,
one
old is gold.
yes, it has served. I'm telling you.
It's called the line of duty.
In the line of duty, the things you go through to bring you
This content.
But it's impressive. The works. I really want to know where they are. We will see their camp. These are those things for drainage.
Culverts.
The culverts.
Yes. On this side, it's always very.
I can see industrial, like an industrial area, or roofings.
Yes. That's the old. We are coming to test the new.
Yeah, at least we test the new.
You said you wanted to test the new.
New, yes.
You see, the old is now been left.
Yes, it's being redone.
Yes.
This is a new. See, it's softer. Even there's a cool breeze. Telling you new things. There's a very. Look at what they have done.
Man, they are bomoing.
No.
They are taking it out. They are going to redo it.
Yes, you are talking about all this gold. For where?
It's gold. Even all must be repaired. You can see.
You can see what they're doing. Very active. I believe they're doing that because that place is swampy.
Yes.
They're trying to put like a drainage system, chini.
Yes.
Because what you have talked about is Mombasa and Kenya generally poor drainage. So if you build roads and you do not have drainage, your
Properly done drainage.
yes, the road will not
Also,
last.
will not last.
Look at what they're doing.
Those guys are measuring. That looks like a footpath.
Yes, it is a footbridge.
Footbridge.
Yeah. This is a footbridge here.
Yes.
You can see it. Basi wa pwani pia wapate footbridge.
This one look like it's going to open up this place.
Son, it's already opened up. Even
Because
before
this place
then,
used to look very lost.
Look at this.
Immensely. It's going to change this place immensely. Yes, it's
looks
open
like
up.
it.
It's really opening up Mombasa and the environs. Although we're already out of Mombasa,
But still, this is like a Kinamlolongo or something.
yes, now we are going to have our Athi Rivers and whatever.
Our Mlolongos, our Kitengelas,
yes,
that kind of thing.
yes.
You can see huko washaanza kuweka the footpath.
Yes.
And on top of the foot, actually, chini is a drainage system. Chini is a drainage system.
They're opening up roads and gates.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, so this roofing Skobe has 2 entrances.
Yes.
Strengthening the nation.
Here you go. KfW.
Yes.
The German Development Bank.
Yes,
He's one of the funders of this project.
I almost said sponsors.
just used to sponsors.
I almost said sponsors. It's funders.
It's a loan you'll pay.
Yes. So
It's called the German Development Bank.
They're not Nini. They're not.
It's a bank.
It's a bank. Whether you are going to pay on high,
You will pay.
you will pay.
It's a loan. It must be paid back. In fact, even the other funders are. Who are the other funders? I know the European Union, Africa.
The European Union,
Africa.
Infrastructure Development Trust.
Yeah.
And then there is also, we have this other one. It's called what?
The German Development Bank.
The German Development Bank.
And the European Investment
Bank. Yes.
It's being funded heavily by the Europeans.
Europeans, yes.
Europeans
European Investment Bank, European Union, Africa Infrastructure Trust Fund, the KfW,
the
German Development Bank, and of course, the Kenyan government.
Yeah, indeed, the Kenyan government.
Yeah, indeed. I like that. Yeah, indeed. They have provided land. And they will pay the loan.
They will ensure the loan is paid. They are the ones who guarantee the loan after all.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but the project is coming out nicely.
Yeah.
By the way,
they need to make provisions for the lorries.
Oh, the climbing lanes. But you see, it is it is 4-lane. Why do you need climbing
No,
lanes?
you need them a lot.
For Uko Kando.
Parking, where are these lorries? You know, people don't like parking in whatever. You need to, I hope they're constructing these knowing that this is heavily used by trucks.
What I like, I think there's this road, the bypass ya Kitale. Uko juu, there's a provision. If we get the clip, we'll show you. There's a provision where just lorries can go and park. I think you've seen.
Yes.
More
no, the one in Eldoret.
In Eldoret, yes. Yeah.
There is need for a lorry park.
Yes.
Several of them where they need to be. We can't have them next to the road all over.
Like this.
Like this one. The other one is the other side. This one is here.
Yeah. They're creating traffic.
Yes.
Now because they have occupied the shoulders.
The shoulders. Where do you run to?
Or parking like that in petrol stations and all that.
Scrapping off.
Now here they have not done it. This is the side. This is the other side of the carriage, of the dual carriage.
That is where the old one was.
Yeah, by the way they've scrapped
dug it
off.
all.
Yeah.
They were putting everything out of it.
Kisha. I think it will not serve purpose or something.
What?
Or it could not match the same standard.
Yes.
True. And then the other thing,
drainage. You see,
drainage.
They are making provisions for
drainage there
in between. Because this is a slope coming from up.
And it's a dual carriage.
Yes.
And the money, actually it is 10.4 billion.
Yes,
and the money is for actually dual carriaging everything. Not at the existing and doing yes. It's for everything. That's why they are doing this. It's 10.4 billion and it's 30.4 kilometers.
Yes.
Kwa Jomvu all the way to Mariakani. Now it makes sense. You can see the terrain, it's a slope indeed. Yeah. Deep cuts. So hawataki kubatisha na chochote. There goes kuchimbua. Now what is this thing called? Mimi naitanga caterpillar.
Just call it caterpillar.
Mimi naitanga caterpillar.
Excavator.
This one is excavator.
And then there's another on this side. This is really properly open up this place.
It looks like it's even those. You can even see those shops. I never used to see them before.
Yes. You know, when you used to pay attention.
Yeah.
Like somebody tells you that you want to give you a necker front facing the road here, you can.
You will take it.
Yes.
Considering where you will take it and put up something. Even the residentials are going to come besides and all those kind of things.
You can see the drainage.
The drainage.
There goes your Tandaza.
Yeah, Tandaza. Now which one is this one? A grader.
Yeah, I think it's a compactor.
This one?
I think must be the compactor. This is the same one that also murders the lami.
Yes. And even this kokoto. Yes. The simiti.
Yeah.
But this one wameitengeneza vizuri.
Because that looks very fun. That is the base. That's the base.
Very fun.
And they're giving it time to cure.
Mm.
The good thing it's post.
So
the sun really assists you to cure that.
Cure it.
Yes.
And then even now when they pour the water and everything,
yes,
it gets absorbed properly. You know, using this road before, I never knew you could get to somewhere close to a property. Now tunapakana hivi kabisa with properties.
Yes.
People's property.
Yes.
Initially it used to be very far and there were bushes and trees. Look at where they have moved the poles, the electric poles.
You didn't even used to notice anything.
I never.
The place just used to look bushy
and dry and just kuko tu. Actually, when you're here, unasema tu nitafika Mombasa saa ngapi?
Because there was nothing interesting.
Yes. Or when you are leaving Mombasa, you're like, okay, now you are aiming for Mariakani.
Yes.
You never used to notice these things.
Yes. So these are the places the president was mentioning. Kibanda Asara.
Oh, Nina wajengea tutaweka lami. Lami inatoka Mariakani. Inapitia sijui Kibanda Asara. Ikienda sijui Mazeras. Ninafikisha hadi kule Jomvu.
Pale Mariakani. Alafu ifike Weybridge.
Weybridge. Now you can see. And even they are green. Now you see the water.
The water.
the machinery that is around this area.
They have deployed
Yeah? It's a
all
lot.
the machinery available.
Look.
I wonder who's the contractor.
Is it the Chinese or?
I can see CCC. CCC is always Chinese.
But unlike the Malindi Bagamoyo, I'm not seeing any Chinese on the ground. Honestly speaking, I think they're the same. The contractors Niao is also Germans and the Europeans.
Here there's another footbridge.
Yes. You're asking who is the contractor?
Yes, who is the contractor?
You're saying you have been seeing CC, yes.
CC.
Is the Chinese?
The third bureau.
The third bureau of the Chinese constructors.
So you just
City constructors, yes. The third bureau of the Chinese city constructors. That's why you're saying you've been seeing CCC, yes. Chinese city contractors, yeah, the third bureau.
The third bureau. Why is this a third bureau?
I'm wondering.
It's a very unique name.
Yes, third bureau of Chinese city constructors. And actually they construct cities. Yeah, they are constructing a city. The third bureau. Interesting name. It's KeNHA. Now they're the ones who mark the road from Uko to the other side.
Yeah.
Now I think you understand why they mark the road that big.
They are the owners
The owners
of the road from that side to that
to
side.
that side. You might even find bado wako na ingine bado huko. You can add other layers. Yes.
Seek compensation.
Yes.
They can acquire.
They can acquire. And hakuna hapo kubishana. Nasema barabara inafaa kupita hapa. Hebu move. I'm telling you about finding a parking bay for the nini, the trucks.
Yes.
You can see Uko juu. Taking a whole petrol station.
Yes. This thing has opened up. This place is looking even nice.
Mm-hmm.
This just look dead. Move done. Finished.
It's dead on arrival.
Oh, it's looking beautiful. You can see.
And it's still the construction phase. You can imagine after
When
they have it's done, marked, put the nini, the
Traffic
lights, the night lights and all that. It will be very
And the
beautiful.
restoration process already done, also done.
Yes. I would love it. Big machineries. I'm telling you, they have brought all their things.
Everything has been deployed.
Yes. Actually, these are new and in a letter on ground.
You said you want a new road. How does that feel?
It feels nice. There's a breeze and everything. But you enjoy it.
This section is already completed.
Yes.
This one they can even open up.
That side?
Yes.
Not yet.
This is just adding tarmac.
Yeah, there's adding
like
tarmac.
a layer or two. And then we're back in business.
I like the way they're doing it. It's nice. Hey, the road is far. The other dual is goodness. We are worlds apart.
There's a U-turn or an intersection somewhere.
Here, there's a U-turn.
You have to go
Yes.
U-turn.
It's a U-turn, no wonder. Quickly, the engineers.
Yes, the engineers. Road engineers.
You see, we could not even see pink light.
You never even knew that bomber existed.
Yes.
Looks like we coming into traffic.
Yeah. There is a lot of traffic. Ni mlolongo magari. And I'm wondering why. You can see maybe it's crazy and chaotic to do this. And in Lolongo, I saw
Where?
And actually we are the ones who are on the wrong goodness, and it's not even moving.
No much inside here.
Huh?
Not much inside here.
It's a lot of traffic.
Wewe kuisha mingi usiingia kutosha.
Ama urudi nyuma jilainisha chini. Hapo utatokea. Wacha arudi nyuma.
It's so tight. It's so tight. Really, really.
I'm just hoping there's no lorry. Another lorry, me, I'm fucked.
It's tight. It's tight.
Hiyo lorry.
You can see them Lolongo.
Yes, tunashuka.
Yes, I don't
Shuka, tunaenda. Tunaenda now.
know.
We had to use a panya.
Yes, so you can be able to get this content. It's
kind of jam that is on that side.
Yeah, it's weird.
Bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper. I think they're going to have an near service lane here.
They should have a service
Yes,
lane.
for this.
This kind of.
For
You
all
can
the-
already see what the future looks like.
Yes. No, but also for feeding into these companies here, the
Yes.
the industries, and that is a drainage, a big drainage, proper ones. So that is how it's going to look like. It's already dual.
It's bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper. Now we are approaching Mariakani. This is MRM.
But it looks like it's not moving at all.
At all. It's really tight.
At all. Mabati rolling.
Mabati rolling wheels. MRM.
And we come into that unmoving traffic.
Yes, really tight. Tight.
Back into it.
Stand, I would say, tight come up to gear gas. Kifuniko ya gas. So here in Mariakani, I think the reason why it has gone back to single lane. They have not yet.
Yes.
They have not yet.
Because they have come to the township. It's hard to do this building. This construction when there's an urban center.
Yes, you have noticed.
Yes.
Even the Malindi Bagamoyo one, when there's an urban center or a township, they skip it. So now the problem comes in when you are using dual or the road was nice and then
you come back
to yes.
Into
How do you call it? There's a name.
To a tight
Bottleneck or something.
Bottleneck,
yes. So now this is the chaos as you're approaching Mariakani town.
Just like in Topa, there is need to. We want to see what they're going to do here.
I really want to see. Look at that. We're in Mariakani, and what do we bump into? Mariakani poster.
It's a hat.
It's a hat. Like you have in Kadogo. Mariakani poster. Still here, bumper to bumper in this traffic. The traffic is still bumper to bumper, and actually it's is it 2 trucks or a truck which is
There's a problem. This is
Yes.
Mariakani Sub-County Hospital.
there's a problem with a truck Nyuma that has caused all this chaos. Just finished Mariakani, you're finishing Mariakani, hoping to get to the Way Bridge.
Then we come and start the problem of
Yes,
this traffic
of this traffic going back. But we hope by the time you're getting Kombele they'll have cleared. But I don't think so because that truck is still there. It's stuck there, repairing it on the ground.
No.
Kwisha. So tunangangana bado ndio tufike Way Bridge. Yeah, in the Mariakani township. Should we call it township?
Yes, so it's a township.
Township. There is no road work. Like you said, they keep on postponing the towns. So they jump the towns and do the other areas first.
The original guys knew
that you need a service lane.
I hope there will be enough service lanes.
Service lanes now.
Yeah, so that it handles these trucks.
Yes.
So they truck to the service lane.
Okay.
Yes.
We are back to construction zone. Back to an active construction site. It's tight. Still traffic. They even finishing the, what is it called?
The drainage.
The drainage. And I like the way they have done it. It's so coastal.
Yes.
It's
The
very
use
nice.
of local material.
Yes. Even to give design.
Design, yeah.
Because the road is complete actually. They're just doing now touch-ups. That is the Mariakani terminus railway station. Yeah, for the SGR. And there you can see even the SGR Mexico cargo train. Struggle. This is how you'll be cruising from Mombasa.
Yes.
It's very nice. This is it's a U-turn here.
It's a U-turn. Done very well.
Yes, and even I think you can see the drainage, the use of the local material, Konyuma.
Yes.
It's very nice. Steep decline. Huku sasa hakuna shoulders yet.
Yes, there are no shoulders, but the road is completely side.
Yeah, the road is complete. Everything. It's
Yes.
just the, what is it called? Aesthetics.
Yes.
Which is remaining. Are we approaching the way bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can now see even the trucks there on that side going to the way bridge. And they have occupied the entire.
Yes, because they have to go into the way.
All vehicles above 3.5 tons exit due to the way bridge. These are the more reasons why the road had to be tolled. Yes, it is an international road, international corridor, but here these issues.
There is need for this way bridge to be made more efficient.
Yes.
There is no way you can have people's vehicles just idling on the road here instead of transporting cargo.
They're digitalized and all that. You have seen the way the Dogokundu one is.
Yes.
And yes, that kind of thing.
That is now way big. Oh, and now we are on a single lane the other side.
Yes. Those who go chini, wote wameenda way bridge.
Shina way bridge.
So meaning they're also going to expand the road that side.
Yes. What's that? Other side is another side on
of the way bridge. But the one from Mombasa is
the one that is used
easier.
Yeah.
It's definitely. Leaves
And we are back into the old road.
Yes. So it ends here.
I presume so.
Yeah. The dwelling ends here.
Yeah.
This is the Mariakani Way Bridge. Just past it. So the road is 30.4 kilometers. Yes.
This road too.
This road too. Costing 10.4 billion Kenyan shillings. That's why you've seen all those partners. And you're gonna come here, all that money to revive itself. You can see how
they're back. Moi Bust is back. It's back.
Your alma mater.
Yeah, my alma mater is back.
You can see how much it costs. 10 billion brings all these partners, and you just want one university to take all of that money.
We must educate our people.
I know.
And we can't allow a good institution like
to
that
just go like
to
that.
just disappear.
True.
But that's beside the point. We're discussing
The roads here.
The road here, Mariakani to Jomvu.
10.4 billion, 30.4 kilometers. Changing lives here.
Yeah.
So much.
A lot of people, a lot of things will transform here. Yes.
And we
it has
like
opened up the place already.
Kabisa.
You have a feel that there are potentially good new things that can be done this side.
You
Even
can-
housing now.
Yes, you can come buy land, build commercial plots and all those kind of things. I like.
I like. Even I like.
It's
They may be an
giving
issue
us.
about water, but man is ingenious.
Yes.
Yes.
They'll get to
I know even
survive.
Kitengela, I'm told there are issues about water, but people live
And
there.
at the river,
Water,
people
yes.
still live there.
So
Yes.
there must be a way people live here.
This will be Lolongo,
Longos,
our River, that
yes.
kind of thing. Our
Yes, we need to open
Syokimau.
Yes, we need to open up Mombasa and Kwale and
Feeding this
Kilifi.
side. Yes.
This side. Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Keep it
Thank
up.
you.
Thank you so much. Keep it at our factory.
Yes. Stay locked. Officially.
And officially we are on the main road. A10
A109 or TH8
that continues on
all the way to
to
Lagos.
Lagos.
Nairobi, Malaba, all the way to Lagos.
We are at Shell. I don't
Just
know
a
how
pit
this
stop.
shell is called, but I know it's a shell.
Moonshine.
Moonshine.
Moonshell.
Moonshell. Mariakani service station.
Yes. We have paused here previously
We had a break, a pit stop here.
when we are going to Taveta. Voi
The
Taveta circuit. Yes. You should check it out also. Very interesting.
Yes.
But we'll revisit soon.
We will.
Yes.
We will revisit soon. So let's take a break,
Yep.
a health break, and then you see.
Yep.
Yes.
We might end up in Nairobi, you never know.
Never know.
So guys, that was the TAH8. The Lagos, Mombasa-Lagos.
Highway.
But that is the Mariakani, the Kwa Jomvu Mariakani
Roadworks.
Bridge. Yes, section road. That whatever.
Yes.
Yo. And what was the president saying?
Whatever. Me, I want to know where this Kibanda Asara is.
He mentioned Kibanda Asara.
There's a place called Kibanda Asara.
He knows these things so
Yeah, I
much.
know.
Akona mtu wa kwa ground
You need to tell us where is this Kibanda Asara.
Yeah, this
On our
Kibanda
way
Asara.
back.
Yes, we look for the Kibanda Asara and spot it.
Yes.
Anyway, so that is the roadworks. Actually, majority of it is complete. Honestly
Yes, quite
speaking.
a sizable chunk.
Only the places of the towns, the Mazeras and Mariakani. Yes.
Yes, we're following it up. Thank you for the update. We're giving you this update and we'll keep updating you.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't worry, today has been very hot, 36 degrees, that's why.
It's so hot.
It's damn hot.
Yes.
But anyway, let's see. If you'll get something as you're going back, we'll show you. If not also, thank you very much for sticking around.
Keep it at my factory. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Kindly.
And we thank all of you who are
Commenting, asking for more. Thank you.
Thank you. You encourage us, and we love you. We love you, our Thai Factory family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Let's keep growing together.
Bye-bye.
Adios. Cheers.
Or they will do a gil kind of thing.
Yes.
You see the area segmented huko kando.
Yes, huko.
Or hapa wamejazana kwa barabara just because hii barabara ijaisha. But once it's complete, they will be segmented huko kando.
All lorries will disappear there.
I'm seeing even they will tarmac. Unaona
Yes,
tarmac
yeah.
huko juu?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, including buses. Shit.
Yes, buses have got a heavy.
Painful.